Yo, g'day guys, Clevo King here. Check this beast out guys. What a sweet Pano XE van. Running these cool 17-inch rims that look like a Pursuit. This thing's awesome. How cool is that bench seat? It's got the old cup holder there. Very nice. Wow. Got the barn doors on the back. It's a bit of an unusual colour. Ivory cream. I've never seen one in this colour. It must be quite rare. How cool is a little bit of a vent here? That's nice. Love it. Let's have a look under the bonnet. She's running the 250 at the moment, but it will have a Clevo going in it very soon. Gee, it's tidy, eh? Yeah, that's a really tidy cross flow, eh? That looks awesome.
Well, to be honest, it's the
alloy and head. The alloy head too.
Yeah, alloy head too.
So you never need to worry about valve saver.
I don't. See, the guy I bought off was using it.
Yeah, no, that's stupid.
So I don't need
alloy heads have a hardened seat.
Someone else told me that, and I was like, oh, but the guy I bought it off was using it. So you don't need to worry about that.
Nah, not at all. Don't need to run valve saver at all.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Because it's a bit smoky when I start, and I think it's because I've been putting it in.
The valve saver also lowers the octane of the fuel a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Be better off not
using it. Well, you're the second person that said to me don't use that.
Yeah, once cars came out with an aluminium head that had a hardened seat. How awesome is this? Imagine living the dream, getting around in this, doing some surfing and road trips. Wow. Such a cool ride. Awesome roof rack on top too, that's so sturdy. Put anything up there, you could lug car panels around. Yeah, I know what I'd have up there if it was mine, mate. 9-inch diffs. Yeah. And a Clevo on display. It'd be like a mobile shop.
C4 in the back.
Look how awesome this looks. He's just told me a little bit of a tip here. It's a leaf spring from a modern Falcon. They run up to like a BF, 6 leaf, goes straight in. King Springs, absolutely slammed it. All you have to do is just narrow the front bush just a tiny little bit to get it into the old cradle for the spring. Wow. Yeah, it's awesome, man. Very nice. We've been chatting back and forth, and he sent me a little tip here, guys. If you want your vans or utes to look as slammed as this in the back, you can run this King Spring FOR 303 SSL, and what you do, see how much lower it is straight away on the arch there. You just grind a little bit of the steel bush away and they fit. We've been having a bit of a chit chat back and forth. Hopefully I can edit something cool out of this. Make sure you go and give this fella a follow. Tex RX7. Check this out guys, how cool is this? XE panel van. Young fella's done a bit of a resto on himself. He does road trips with his girlfriend and they go and do a bit of surfing up and down the east coast here. Check it out. He's got a Cleveland that's going in. Just restored the interior. Fantastic. There's a cool song playing if you guys want to check out his Instagram. He's got a page, Tex_RX7. I'll show you here quickly. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Sorry guys, we've got the neighbourhood skids there going on in the background. Check it out. What a beast. So cool. Really cool young fella. We had a great time having a bit of a chit chat. How awesome is that? Obviously I've smashed it with a like. How awesome is that? Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash a like and subscribe, guys.